Rich, why should you learn vibe coding as a product manager? What is the inherent, I would say, benefit of learning vibe coding? I'm going to go out there and let you guys know. If you have a vibe coding background, you have to understand how hiring managers think. The way that hiring managers think is this: how do I get the person with the most multifaceted set of skills that's going to benefit me? And there's nobody that a product manager hates more than a developer. Why? I'll tell you why. Because a lot of times you just need something done and the developer is not giving it to you because they're two heads down doing something else and they just can't break focus. And hey, you as the chief product officer, director of product, or head of product, you're not going to learn these skills yourself because if you wanted to, maybe you convinced yourself you couldn't, but let's just say if you really wanted to, you would have already. If you see somebody else with these skills, you're going to want to go ahead and get your hands on them versus somebody else that you really like. You're thinking about what more can they go out there and do. If I'm interviewing for admissions team members right now, effectively that's a sales position. If they have a video editing background or they have a graphics design background or they have like an additional skill, they can speak French, they are going to be more attractive to me as a business owner because I feel like I'm getting 1.5 employees. I feel like I'm getting more for one person. For the same amount of money, I'm getting more. And that's what it is. And vibe coding, not only is it a really great set of skills for you to go out there and have, product managers, I've been saying this for years. You don't need a technical background to get your first product manager job. I've been saying that for the last 8 years. But at some point, you're going to have to develop them. And a lot of people never did until this caught up with them. So vibe coding is great. I mean, take a look at this champ right here. He vibe coded an entire AI app, that he sold back to Wix in just 6 months for $80 million in cash by himself. Okay, and you're going to be able to learn all of this in the program. Lovable is just one of the stacks. But like, hey man, like you probably want to have extra skills than have less skills. That's what I'm always advocating for. Having more skills because that's going to make you that much more valuable because they feel like they're getting more out of you. On top of that, another reason why you want to have more skills is because of this. You're also signaling to the hiring manager you're able to learn new skills quickly. And in this market, every single month, if not every single week, there's another piece of software out there and people are like, oh shit, what's that? Boom. If you have a very clear process of how to use AI to learn AI, there are just, because most people aren't going to go out there and freaking learn it, all of a sudden, you're going to be that much more attractive as a candidate, right? So don't wait. Schedule a call with us. We want to get you in before seats fill up for an upcoming AI product management cohort, and you want to get in before we have to go out there and raise rates because our phone's been absolutely blown up off the hook. There is a mountain powerful of cash right now in the AI gold rush. You do not want to go ahead and miss out. Talk to you guys all very, very, very soon.